First of all, I wish to all of you to Happy Children's Day. आज का मेरा विषय है देश के भविष्य हो तुम। आता है हर वर्ष ये दिन, झूमे नाचे बच्चे संग संग, दे दे चाचा नेहरू को श्रद्धांजलि हम, थे यह देश के पहले प्रधानमंत्री। करते थे बच्चों से प्यार, हर जयंती पर होता बच्चों का सत्कार। कच्ची मिट्टी है बच्चों का आकार, सच्चे सांचे में ढले यही है ये दरकार। ना हो अन्याय से भरा इनका जीवन, प्रतिज्ञा करो न करोगे बाल शोषण। नन्ही सी कली है ये, भारत का खिलता कमल है ये। बाल दिवस पर है इन्हें सिखाना, जीवन अनमोल है यूं ही ना गंवाना। देश के भविष्य हो तुम, शक्तिशाली युग।
Today I want to deliver a speech on Children's Day. Children's Day is a commemorative date which is celebrated every year in honor of children. This date varies from one country to another. World Children's Day was first established in 1954 as Universal Children's Day and celebrated on 20th November each year to promote international togetherness, awareness among children worldwide and improving children's welfare. 20th November is an important date as it is the date in which the UN General Assembly adopted the Declaration of the Rights of Children in 1959 and also Convention on the Right of Child in 1989. Let's talk about Children's Day in India. In our country, it is celebrated across the country to increase awareness of the right care and education of children. It is celebrated on 14th November every year as a tribute to India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. He was also known as Chacha Nehru among children. Pandit Nehru advocated for children to have fulfilled education. On this day, many educational and motivational programs are held across India for children. The celebration for Children's Day in India dates back to 1956 as prior to the death of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. India celebrated Children's Day on 20th November as Universal Children's Day. After the death of Pandit Nehru, his birth anniversary was deliberated to celebrated as Children's Day in India, and it is done so because he was very popular with the children as Chacha Nehru, and then a resolution was passed in the parliament to give a befitting farewell to the first Prime Minister of India. Thank you.
From class 9, I am here to give a speech on the Children's Day. As we know that today is 14 November, we are gathered here to celebrate Children's Day, or I said birth anniversary of the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was a great freedom fighter and he was also a politically active member in Indian National Congress and also close associated with Mahatma Gandhi ji, and also share close relationship, or I said affectionately relationship with children, and children called him as a Chacha Nehru. Or he also said that he had not much time for adults, he had time for children. With this I would like to end my speech and wishing you all once again Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
खजाना के बारे में कुछ बताना जा रहा हूँ। बचपन ऐसा खजाना जाता है ना दोबारा, मुश्किल है उसको भुला पाना। वो खेलना कूदना और खाना, मौज मस्ती में बखलाना, वो माँ की ममता और वो पापा का दुलार, भुलाए ना भूले वह सावन की फुहार। मुश्किल है इस सभी को भुलाना, वह कागज की नाव बनाना, वो बारिश में खुद को भिगाना, वो झूला झूलना और खुद ही मुस्कुराना, वो यारों की यारी से सब भूल जाना और डंडे से गीली को मारना, और अपने होमवर्क से जी चुराना, और टीचर के पूछने पर तरह तरह के बहाने बनाना। बहुत मुश्किल है इसको भुलाना। वो एग्ज़ाम में रट्टा लगाना, उसके बाद रिजल्ट के डर से बहुत घबराना, वो दोस्तों के साथ साइकिल चलाना, वो छोटी छोटी बातों पर रूठ जाना, बहुत मुश्किल है इसको भुलाना। वो माँ का प्यार से मनाना, वो पापा के साथ घूमने के लिए जाना और जाकर पिज़्ज़ा और बर्गर खाना, याद आता है वह सब जबान, बचपन है ऐसा खजाना, मुश्किल है इसको भूल पाना।
I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated every year on 14th November. It is the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He loved children very much. Children fondly called him Chacha Nehru. This day reminds us that the children are the future of a nation. So children should be raised with love and care. Children's Day is the very special day for all children. Thank you.
Today on the occasion of Children's Day, we are participating in some games. I thank to Principal Ma'am and all my teachers for this celebration management of this school care for their students in both except physical, mental. We are enjoy